Our preparation for Jesus' return involves preaching the truth and
You don't know me at this point, then I highly doubt you ever will. I really need you to give me that.
Nadarama ang puso kong sabi.
Doble puti, doble ganda. Simply G. Simpleng ganda. Simply G.
Call me out my name, it's like you're the final boss and I'm just trying.
Hindi naman po dito sa Pilipinas, sa India, para silang normal na isang kumpanya.
Idol! Ngayong buwan ng June, huwag ka na doon! Huwag ka na doon! Huwag ka na doon!
Unit din po from your agency, papaano
At pag marriage certificate po, huwag kakalimutan. Additional po yun kasi kung
And when you hear this song, I hope that you will see.
Sumaremamo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Sumaremamo pa' que mi gata.
Get away your love, can you teach me how? Di mahaba yung gatang, okay lang sa akin. I need you here to kiss me, babe. Could almost see eternity.
Bakit di maawat ang pusong lagi?
Bakit hanggang ngayon nagdurugo pa rin? Makes my skin alright. This could be
News Authority. Mga random comments. Okay na lang, hindi na si Harry Roque, si Chis Escudero. So stop and pop. Come on! Ikaw rin, ganun.